Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota, suburb of Minneapolis, Minnesota. Today we're going to talk about a very cool summer cruiser. If you want to have one of those full-size cars for cruising and ride in style, we got a 1955 Buick Special Convertible. Give you the details in a minute. Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota, a suburb of Minneapolis, Minnesota. Today we're going to talk about our latest acquisition, a great summer driver, if there ever was one. We've got a 1955 Buick Special Convertible. I'll tell you what, this was a really banner year for Buick, and they had all kinds of great features, lots of styling improvements, made it look really good. And it is a beautiful Gulfstream aqua color. I mean, that is just a 50s color, is it not? That is about as good as you get. Has the old reliable 264 V8 in it. Now you're going to want to watch this video from start to finish because we do a walk around, we do a cold start, we give you more details of the car, which is always nice. Now you can also click on the link in the description and it'll take you right to this vehicle and to our website at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com as well, where you will see close to 100 vehicles that are currently for sale, ranging from cars from the 1920s all the way up into the 1970s and beyond. So if you're looking for that classic collectible vehicle, we probably have one right here for you with your name on it at Ellingson's. But getting back to the details of this beautiful car, again, it was just a very good year for Buick. Love the styling changes, lots of neat stuff. Nice options on this car. Whoever ordered this car did two of the best options you can have on these old cars, that being power steering and power brakes. The power steering, of course, this is a big car. You've got big tires. It's really nice to be able to park this car easily or go to the car shows or whatever. You know, power steering is just a wonderful option to have on this car. And power brakes. This is a big, heavy car. Nice to be able to stop as well. Now, you also looked at it has the wide white walls, which would be correct for 1955. And it's got the full hubcaps with the Buick emblem right in the middle. But the radial tires is probably one of the biggest improvements on these old cars. It just rides better, they're safer, they're just all around one of the best improvements that they ever came up with for these old cars, compared to the old bias tires that they had in 1955. But I love the gun sight right in the middle of the hood. As a kid, that would be something that I'd be lining up there, making sure that I'm shooting all the cars coming at me coming down the road. And it is a three-holer, as we say. The three-holers signifies different level of trim and different models, but the three-holer like this is for the Special. Now take a look at the interior in this car. Really nice. Red leather interior, beautiful red carpet, nice original dash. Everything in this car is as it came from the factory. No one has cobbled it up, changed. Still has its original AM radio in place. Now, like I said, watch this video because you can hear how nice this car really runs. Now, you can find all our stuff on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram as well. Well, give us a like, leave us a comment, or subscribe. We appreciate it, and it'll give you a lot more information on this car, also on our cars that we currently have in stock, and some of the cars we've sold in the past as well. So if you're cruising through the internet looking for something to do, take a look at those sites, and I'm sure you'll find lots of interesting stuff that we've had in the past here at Ellingson Motorcars in Rogers. But yes, beautiful interior all the way around. Is just I mean, it is just really special. Lots of leg room. Now, the nice thing about this car does have a tan convertible top with the back clear window. If you get caught in the rain, a mere pull of a button and the top will go up. I mean, in less than a minute, and there you go. In case you misjudged and, you know, rain can sneak up on us on occasion, it does happen. So it's really nice to have that power top feature. Again, another nice thing. But just look at the beautiful chrome on this car all the way around. I love the taillights on the Buicks of this era. They are just really soulful. Just very nice. Now, you can come on down to Ellingson Motorcars as well. We'd love to have you come on down. We're open Monday through Friday from 10 until 5, and Saturdays 10 to 4 as well. So if you're like me, come on down, put your hands on it, touch it, make sure this is exactly what you're looking for, or whatever the case may be. But we would love to have you come down to Ellingson Motorcars in Rogers. And I thank you again for watching our video today. Hopefully it'll have something interesting that you find about this car and our other ones. And we thank you very much for visiting, and we will see you next time at Ellingson Motorcars.